Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to build this Lego MOC vending machine. The idea I got for the vending machine comes from this awesome Lego Creations book. So, let's get started. Ooh, candy! First, we're going to start with this base plate. Then click this base plate on the bottom of it, like this. Then we're going to put this base plate here. And turn them over and take these pieces, put them right here, and the same on the other side. It should now kind of look like this. Like this. Next, we're going to take this red slanted piece and put it right here. Then take another piece, put it right here. Then another red slanted piece and put it on top. Then another blue piece, put it right here. And another blue piece and put it on top. Then I put this, another red slanted piece and put it on top. Look like this. Next, we're going to take this yellow piece and put it right here. Then we're going to take this kind of tall, darker yellow piece and put it here. And two more yellow pieces and put it right here, and right here. And another one right here. Then we're going to take two orange pieces that look like cones, put them right here. Then take a tile piece, put it on top right here. Should kind of look like this. Just with this yellow piece right here. Next, we're going to take this 3x2 piece and put it right here. Right here. Then we're going to take this 2x1 piece and put it right here. These actually supposed to go right here. Then take another 3x2 piece, put it right here. Another 1x2 piece and put it right here. Then take two 2x2 pieces and put it right here. Here and right here. Then take a tile piece and put it right here. Just kind of forms a line of tiles. Should look like this. Next, we're going to take this 1x4 yellow piece and put it right here. And then take this kind of tall yellow piece and put it right here. And another little yellow piece right here. And another right here. Then take this 1x4 flat green piece, put it right here. And then we're going to take another 1x2 yellow piece, put it right here, another one right here. Should kind of look like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to take another 1x4 yellow piece and put it right here. Then I'm going to take another kind of tall yellow piece and put it right here. Then take two more yellow pieces, put it right here. Oops. Right here and right here. Then I'm going to take another kind of green 1x4 piece and we're going to put it right here. And two more of these pieces, put it right here and right here. Should kind of look like this now. Next, we're going to take this 1x1 blue piece that's 3 bricks tall, put it right here, and another right here. And then we're going to take this light gray piece, put it right here, another right here. And then take this arched piece, put it right here, and two 1x3 yellow bricks and put it right here, and right here. Should look like this. Next, we're gonna build the part that makes the candy or whatever you're vending come out. So to do that, I'm gonna start with this base plate and then put this piece right here. Then 2 tiled pieces, put one right here, put another right here. Then take this 2x4 black piece, put it right here, put a tile on top of it. Then we're gonna flip this over, put this kind of long piece right here. Now we have our sliding mechanism finished. Just slide it right here. Should look like this now. Next, we're gonna build the mechanism that traps the slider. So to do that, I'm gonna take this long piece, put it right here. And if I can click it on, right here. Then we're gonna take 2 yellow pieces, put it right here and right here. Then I'm gonna take 2 1x2 pieces, put it right here. And then 2 blue 1x4 pieces and put it right here. Should now look like this. Next, we're gonna take this little 1x1 grade piece and put it right here. So we're now making the size of our vending machine. Then take this yellow 1x3 piece, put it right here, and a yellow piece and put it right here. Then I'm gonna take 2 blue pieces and stick them right here. Then I'm gonna take 2 3 studs tall blue pieces, put them right there, and 2 more 1x2 blue bricks, put it right there. Oops, that's not supposed to fall off. And then do the same thing again, put 2 more blue pieces right here, then 2 more lighter colored blue pieces right here. Now our thing should look like this. Next, we're going to take this little green piece, put it right here. Again, to build the other wall. While I'm doing this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with people you know, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Love to see what you want me to build next. Now, put this blue piece here, then 2 more blue pieces right here and right here, then another 2 more blue pieces right here and right here, and then another tall blue piece and put it right here. And then another light blue piece, put it right here, and another light blue piece, put it right here. Now finish with the other wall, and our vending machine should look like this. Next, we're going to build the front side of our vending machine. So we're going to take this little green piece, put it right here, and then take this 1x4 blue piece and put it right here. Then I'm going to take this window piece, click this thing onto it, like this in the back, then put it right here. And then do that again on the other side. Just click the window piece on. It's easy, just click it on where the hole is. And then put it right here. Then we're going to take this 2x4 blue piece, click it right here. Then take these 2 pieces, put them right here. Then we're going to take this base plate, put it on top. So we'll have our finished vending machine. Before I do that, I'm going to put some candy in so I can vend out some candy. Just drop my jelly beans in here, right in the little slot. And now I'm going to click this on. It's kind of hard because the pieces bend a little. And there we have it. Finished Lego MOC vending machine. Now let's pull the little thing on the end and we'll get some free candy. Ooh, candy. Let's eat it. Num 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 num. Thanks again for watching Super Brick Building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to see what you want me to make next. So, bye-bye.